Hi and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. Today we're going to be drawing Jasmine! Yeah, Jasmine from Aladdin. All right, are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Okay, so let's do the eye right in the middle.
Here.
Yeah, do your eye right here. Perfect. Kind of right in the middle of the paper so that you have room for her hair.
That looks pretty not bad.
Not bad. Alright, so we're drawing an eye by making a rainbow shape, a circle on the inside. We're going to leave a highlight, fill it in, and then we're going to draw a thicker line on the top that leads over to an eyelash, and then two more underneath. Oops,
What happened?
I did them kind of wonky. They're kind of big. Alright, and then her other eye.
I'm trying to get funky.
And then her. Then the highlight. Fill it in. And then her eyelashes. Okay, and then her eyebrows, just thin lines.
That's why our eyebrows are like this.
Okay.
Like pointy on that side and then that on that side.
Okay, so now I'm drawing her mouth.
Like it's my
Okay, so now we're gonna start right here.
I
And we're gonna curve down, and then we're gonna go up, and then we're gonna stop right there. Can you do that too? Cute. And then we're gonna draw her, the rest of her head by going up and over, like that. And then we're gonna draw her hair swooping over and down, leading to her ear, which is right here.
I don't remember that again. Down.
Okay, and now draw her ear right there. Good.
I want to do one ice cream earring.
Okay, I'm gonna do regular earrings. So she's got these golden hoop earrings. So you draw one circle and then one inside, and then you can fill that in because she has black hair.
This is sprinkle ice cream.
And then over here, her other earring comes from behind. You don't actually see that ear. So it's like that. Okay, now we're gonna draw an oval right here, and then an outline on just this side. Cute, I love it. And then we're gonna draw her hair. Wait, real quick before we do her hair, let's draw her neck. Just two little lines right here. The reason I want to draw her neck first is because her hair swoops out and down to there.
I'm doing her necklace right now.
Oh, pretty. So her hair swoops down and over to her neck. Can you do that?
The pendant.
It's in her hair. Very good.
This is poofy.
Poofy hair, yep. And we can color it in later if you want.
Yeah, because it will take forever.
All right, so now we need to draw a headband.
I can't believe we're just doing this.
And very good. And then this side of her hair.
So the down is like disappearing.
Uh-huh.
It's like
Disappears into her hair. Like this.
That, Mommy,
Uh-huh.
this is my headband.
Cool.
The long thing.
Okay, and then above her headband, we've got this,
Poofy headband
we got like this rainbow shape.
of her poofy hair.
And then it leads down
I'm gonna do mine.
and over. Whoa. Cool.
Ponytail.
Cool. All right, I haven't done my ponytail yet. So you want to color this black in later?
Yeah.
Okay, so all that's going to be black later. Oh, there's one little strand of hair we forgot to do that pokes out of her poofy hair.
I don't want
You
to.
don't need
That
to.
looks bad.
Okay. All right, so now we're going to move on to her necklace. Oh, you already did her necklace, but I'm going to draw mine real quick. You make a V shape.
Oops.
It's okay. And then a bigger V shape. So that's her necklace. And then we can draw a little diamond right here.
I like my ice cream earrings.
Can you draw a diamond?
Ooh, diamond.
All right, and then we're gonna draw her sleeves. So we're gonna draw a rainbow shape going out like that.
They're like Elsa's,
Yeah, they are. And then it meets together.
but down in shape.
Mm-hmm. And then come back over. Oh, very good.
It's like a pizza shape.
And then we're gonna draw another one over here. Just watch real quick. So it curves up and then down. And then it stops right there.
Why?
Because then her shoulder, can I show her shoulder real quick? Her shoulder comes over and down. And then it's gonna go around her shoulder like this. So we draw a line over here. And then we, here, scoot back in case the kids are needing to see. So you draw a line down here. And then you curve back. And then up. And then join it in. She will be when I post it, huh? Good job. Okay, and
It
then
looks like a piece of cake.
and now we need to draw her other shoulder, which is like this. We draw a line over and then down. And then a little line for her armpit right there. Good job. Okay.
I don't want to do her armpit.
That's fine. And then right here for her chest, it curves around and down. Can you draw her chest right there?
Whee! Whee!
Okay, good job. Okay, so now we need to draw her arm. So think about how her shoulder comes down behind here. And that's her elbow. And then the other part of her arm goes down to here. Mm-hmm. And then to here. Good job. That's a funny bit laugh. All right, and then real quick, we're gonna draw this line, right, just a short little tiny line right there. Okay, so now we're gonna draw a line right
What time
here
is
to her
it?
wrist. I don't know. 8:30. Hold your paper. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna draw a curved line up and over.
I want to do my...
You can do your hands however you want. This is how I'm gonna do them. Curved line up and over, and then we're gonna curve it back and down. So that's one of her hands. And then her other hand, I'm gonna draw a line here and another line here.
I want her to hold a purse
Oh.
because they're going to the airport.
Oh.
Could I add a purse?
If you want. It's your picture.
Yay.
All right, and then we're gonna draw her fingers coming over this way. And we're just gonna draw some little lines in here. And then, okay. And then there's a little curve right here for the bottom of her
Look
shirt
at her
thing.
purse.
Yeah. And then this part of her armpit comes down right here and connects right there.
I want to do her body like this because because her head is too big and
You can do a short body. That's fine.
like. How about her legs be still little?
Okay.
Like
All right, can I finish this
kid?
arm? Okay. So we're going to draw
Am I too
a line
small?
that way and another line that way, longer than that one, so that it can connect over here. Are you going to draw another arm?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where can it be? Can you?
And this is kind of see-through fabric, I think. Well, it is now. So that's how that works.
I want to do her. It's like this.
Okay. All right, now her,
I can do what I want to my picture.
yeah, so her waist is right there. And then,
This looks like a real princess. Like,
so there's an oval pendant right here. And then we're going to make a V shape underneath it, like a curvy V shape. And then another one at the top of
I
it
want to do.
that makes like this waistband.
I need to.
Well, you kind of drew a purse in front of the spot that I'm doing. So just hold on for just a second, okay? So just watch. Okay, so that one goes up. And then we're going to lead it up to
So
there.
it's not see through. So it's like this.
Yeah, so now we're gonna draw her legs. So we're gonna curve down and then over. And she's not wearing a dress. So that's one of her pant legs. And it comes up for her knee.
Look at her.
Oh, cute. And then this one goes like this behind. And then we've got another rainbow
That
shape right
looks
here. So that's how her,
No, her pants looks
yeah,
kind of
they're
weird.
poofy pants. They poof at the bottom. All right, so this foot we're just doing to a point, and then a little shoe. And then this foot is flat. So let's make sure I'm still in the video. Okay, good. So this one, we're gonna draw her foot coming down.
Her wearing
And then
socks.
it's going over and pointing
I'm
up.
wearing her mom's socks.
Oh, really?
They fit her.
So it makes a point right here, and then it comes back. Oh, excuse you. And then,
I have a scratchy voice.
okay, that's all right. And then it goes up like that. Okay, one thing I'm missing.
What?
I haven't done her ponytail yet.
I did my ponytail.
Uh-huh. So I need to draw a curved line over, and then swoops down, and then it swoops back up, and then it comes to a point, and then you just follow that back over, and then make it a little bigger to there, and then it disappears
did-
behind her leg, her
So
arm.
it's small, then that, and then bigger,
Mhm.
then whoop whoop,
Yeah,
then come back, whoop.
that's so cool. All right, now we can
I connect it to my hair.
color it. Thank you so much for drawing with us.
Thank you for trying with us.
We would love to see how your picture turned out, so you can tag me at Sarah Hatch Art Studio on Instagram, and then I can see it. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future videos, and we will see you next time. Bye! Now you're going to tickle yourself.